verifying the installation. Check that the SUN2000 is installed properly. Check that the two DC switches are off. Check that the ground cable is securely connected. Check that all AC output power cables are correctly and securely connected. Check that all DC input power cables are correctly and securely connected. Check that all communications cables are correctly and securely connected. Check that cable glands in use on the enclosure are sealed. Check that the AC terminal cover has been reinstalled. Check that the maintenance compartment door has been closed and its screws tightened. Check that unused cable glands, USB ports, and DC input terminals are covered with sealing caps.